1, 2, 3, come on!
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I created my 3D model of bacterial cell, or what we call as prokaryote. The materials that I used are styrofoam from our old appliances, glue, scratch papers, and double-sided tape. So hard. So as you can see, it is shaped as a curve, but before that it was actually a box, and I just carved it that way using a cutter. So, na-try ko siya na mag-curve. In this part, I am trying to make the layers of the bacterial cell. Okay. Kaya ito na. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the progress that I made. This is the layers of the cell, and this is the body of the cell. I am going to wrap it around with papers, and I'm gonna glue it together just like that. And I'm gonna glue that together too, just like that. In this part, I tried gluing the two pieces of styrofoam together. To be honest guys, wala hindi siya galikit. Sana magdikit siya, no? What should I do? Oh no! Dapat yung scotch tape. Fortunately, gluing them together just won't work. That's why I decided to use tissue instead to make them stick together. Actually guys, ang nasa Google, ang nasa YouTube, dapat i-paintbrush. Since wala tayong paintbrush, hindi magagawa. Let's use what we have. Sadly, even the tissue didn't work to stick both of the styro together. So sad naman, at least ako magkapit, girl. Dapat pala nung diliit-liitan ko lang muna tayo ulit. Ulit tayo from the start. So I started doing it all over again and tried using smaller pieces of. But then I realized that it will not work, so I used scratch papers instead and decided that the used toilet papers will be placed inside as a fill into the gaps. Right, you can see the butas. So I'm gonna use it. After that, I started to cover the styrofoam with the scratch papers, and it works fine. So here is what it looks like. You can see here that I am cutting the paper in smaller pieces before gluing them so that the result would be more cleaner. I found some random things in our home, and I decided to use them as the parts of the cell. Hey guys! So finally, tapos na din akong gumawa ng cell, and here is the final product. product. Pilus is an elongated and hollow appendage used in transfers of DNA to other cells. These are called ribosomes, tiny particles composed of protein and RNA that are sites of protein synthesis. Granules found in plastids or in cytoplasm are assumed to be food reserves, often of glycogen or other carbohydrate polymers. A nucleoid is an irregularly shaped region within a cell that contains most of the genetic material. This is called a glycocalyx, a coating or layer of molecules external to the cell wall. It serves protective, adhesive, and receptor functions. This is the cell wall, a semi-rigid casting that provides structural support and shape for the cell. Plasm is a jelly-like cytosol within the cell in which other cellular components are found. Flagella are filamentous protein structures found in bacteria. They are typically used to propel a cell through liquid. Thank you so much.